we're going to get together, get to know each other, and we're going to play some music together. You up for that?
Yeah.
And then tonight we're going to play in this beautiful barn to whoever's here. Who's coming? Do you know? Is it sold out? This? The tickets all sold out. Yeah. Yeah. So we're going to play in here, and basically for this day, which is kind of a total one-off, we are all the band. You, us, we're the same with the band. Okay. So we're going to hopefully share some of the music that we do, that these guys do, and then we do together, and we'll talk about that. But don't be shy. We're not going to put anybody under pressure to do anything that they're not comfortable with, but also just have a go. Don't be shy. So I guess it might be good. We're not going to remember all of these names, all of your names, but it might be quite good to just kind of if you guys say hello and what it is that you do musically. So if you're a singer, a saxophone player, if you play the nose flute. Does anybody play the nose flute? Yeah, no nose flute players. We were told on the email. No.
Yeah, okay. Sorry, must have been a spelling mistake.
No, okay. Fake news. Yeah.
Step to the right. Step forward. Step forward. Step back. Step back. Stop. Stop. Now. Yep. Step to the left. Step to the right. Left. This needs to be the edge of the djembe. So can you put your right hand on the djembe? Your right hand. So
that's it. One, two, three. Two, two, three. Havana.